giving out shots?
Yes, but it's also for sale. That we have more for sale too. We're also doing sales.
Okay, yeah, of course. The very has to. Let me have the taste first. So I
Then we have
can,
the small one for 1,000 naira.
let me have the taste first. Taste will drive me.
They have to come and collect it first. Like, that's to come to our stand. You have to come collect it our stand.
Five big, five small.
Thank you.
As soon as you're done selling
Thank you.
it,
Give it up for Precious.
Thank you.
I do. For anyone with me to Precious sing song. Sometimes it feels like success is a trap. Sometimes it feels like people don't understand. Cause the pressure of late and expectations high. Even your name once we supposed get your back. Sometimes they want to fight. And everybody has an opinion. You supposed need your life. Even people we're supposed to show you the way that the people they backbite. Everybody, don't be pride, don't be ego. Sometimes I gotta get my mind, sometimes I gotta stay behind, sometimes I will have to say no. Sometimes I gotta go out of my head, may this pressure no go drive me insane, no. So if you see me outside and I don't greet you, no thanks, Baba, my head is full low. And Baba, you know the level. Everybody, now this also like this, so. Precious sing song. Give it up for Precious. Ladies and gentlemen, another artist to perform. Give it up for Peter. Call me Double G. This one for the hustler right here, right now. Let's go. Beat. Call me Double G. Struggle every day, suffering every day. I don't think I'm a good holiday. Many things stay where I know if you wait, cause your day don't come.
See my thing. Come on.
No day relate, appreciate your faith. No day complain, today my friend is all day. Making your happy day, your happy day. I am a child, nítorí owó, I'm a koríko, I'm a koríko. I am a child, àjẹjù lówó, ṣùgbọ́n pé owó, àpéka. We tire, na fire matter. We go every day, and we hustle every day. We walk out, na fire matter. Na fire matter. Every day work make you free yourself. You hustle every day, you no better for yourself. Yeah, baby, say you no better for yourself. You breaking it down, should you get another one? Whoa, whoa, I mean, I'm Gucci, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Oluwapelumi. Hey!
Let me see if I have 1,000 naira to give Iberia. The one you gave me, you fell. And you give me. Then I'll buy it then. I'll buy it. But give me, I won't take, because if I start taking it, you just give me a small one. I'll do 2,000 now. Anywhere you walk, I go. If you like, make it enter streets. If you enter, go town. Anywhere you like, go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Abimbola. Okay, sorry, let me have it. I'll do it, no problem.
How much is the big one?
5.
What's the size? The 700.
70 CL.
What is that one?
80 CL.
The bigger one is better.
I know.
Let this thing. I'll do the big one. It's better now. So I'll be taking it.
All this shine it tells us spotlights. All this love we shine from the night sky will never be enough. Never be enough. Toss of gold are still too little. This one who owes is
Okay, starting.
My phone
Thank you.
completely.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So now
Ladies and
there's no
gentlemen,
space again.
You feel sing?
If I need to check anything, I put it off because it will be hurting inside my pocket. One way or the other, something will be
You
happening.
say make I give you mic. You know they use Android. When they
Okay,
post
branded. When we are branded, we cannot do
Oh.
You get
Okay, she was the one that I called.
Yeah, I was the one that did.
Ah man, if I chop, quickly next time.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it
Look
up
for
for the
two
next
set or any slot. Collect it, cover it.
Sarah.
Sorry, please, let's be clear. Do not give this gentleman any drinks.
Mr. Ayo, ẹ dúró náà kí mo ṣe ń sìn.
Oga, this
No,
man
I'm
has
asking,
finished,
ewu
almost finished working now.
Mr. Ayo, kí mo ṣe.
He can go home.
No. Mo sọ fún sí pé.
It's not allowed. I understand completely. They were trying to stress her. She's working.
I'm branded. I cannot go
She
with my
can't.
uniform.
It's not
Na
possible.
wetin I dey tell her say.
Next time, this kind of clothes, just get it, cover it up.
No, she's not allowed. She
She come here come work for people.
If they are paying, okay, is it under the contract? Is that policy included in the contract?
She said, yes. She's working. If she went up dressed in that, they can sue her now.
But anyway, I get you, but only the opportunity kí kankan jáde because the band tó bá wà on stage inú ẹ̀ máa ń dùn ni. Can you imagine that little boy? That boy was beside me.